Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's quick tip. I'm Chris, and I'm here with Mike. And today we're going to provide you with a brief overview about the preset functionality in Ergosoft. So, Mike, there are a number of different areas in the RIP where presets appear. Help us understand what everything means and where it fits together. How does the preset suite work at a high level?
No problem. The presets that you're probably most familiar with, let me get an image here, are on the right side of the screen here in the Properties and Actions panel. All of these presets are applied individually to an individual image, or if you select like 10 images, you can apply them to all 10 at once. But if you want to apply maybe 5 of these, you have to apply them each individually, right? So the properties and actions panel are applied individually and manually to your images. That's, I guess, the main thing to remember, because after this properties and actions panel, we have the composite image preset, which is right here, this drop down here. And I will show you this little menu. So if you click here, you can create a new one in this menu here, which we did cover in a lot more detail in a previous video. But once you create your preset in your properties and actions panel, you can use 4, 5, 6 of them in your composite image preset here and apply all of those into your composite preset and save it. And then when you use that preset from your dropdown, for instance, like this, now if I import the same image, you can see it applies the scale and the marks to it, right? So what the composite image preset is mainly for is automating the process of applying multiple presets to images. So whichever composite preset you have selected, when you import an image, it will apply all of those settings to that image. So for instance, if I deselect this preset and import the same image, you'll see now it just imports it normally. Um, there's also job presets, right? There's also normal job presets, and there's also a composite job preset, which allows you to combine more of those together, just like the image presets. And once again, we did cover that in a lot more detail in a previous video as well.
Okay,
Um,
makes sense so far.
yeah, cool. So that's all that. And then once you have all these presets everywhere, if you want to rename or change anything, you can use our preset manager, which is in Tools and Preset Manager. There's 5 tabs, all different presets you can see here on the screen. Multiple different preset options here for you. It's all organized by sort of category, color replacement, job presets, composite presets, right? And then all the buttons on the side here are edit, new, delete, and rename. So if you want to delete one, maybe you accidentally duplicated it, you can delete it or you can rename it, whatever you want to do. So the preset manager is how you basically manage and organize all your presets. Um, Going even one step further, if you want to maybe not have print marks on any image when you import it, you can set that up in the application defaults. If you go to Tools, Application Defaults. Um, so let's say you turn off print marks, but for sometimes maybe a sample or a test for a customer, you want the print marks on. You can set that up in a composite preset and then just have it in the drop down print marks, right? So you don't have to come in here and change it every time. Um, and then anything that's in the application default is applied to every image when it's imported, no matter what, right? So
Excellent. Okay.
if you use any of your presets in there, they'll be applied to images when you import them. And even then, a composite image preset, which is this up here again, you can use in a hot folder. If you guys do any automation with hot folders, you can select your composite image preset there, and it'll apply to all the jobs that it's ripping.
That is a very good point. I think when we take a look, if you find our video on hot folders, you'll be able to see that all of these presets, and this goes all the way back to cutting, certainly job processing, but image manipulation, position templates, all of these different presets that we're looking at through this video series are available for use in the hot folder, and many of them also, to take it a step further, available for use in Delta Automation, which is our full web to print automation solution. So
Yeah.
very nice, Mike. Very thorough, and it all makes sense now. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching, everyone, and please contact us if you have any questions.